This is Barry Hoey with Downing Fry Realty here in Naples, Florida. Check out this property. I'm here in WeberWoods doing an open house. This is the master suite. Access to the pool over here. Living area. Dining area. French doors coming in. For study. It's technically a 5-bedroom, but it's listed as a 4-bed plus a den. You have beautiful features everywhere. This is the family room. Your kitchen here. Breakfast nook. Breakfast bar. You've got another bedroom, bath over here. Then come out here to the pool area. Nice shaded area here. Outside bar. And your pool here, saltwater pool. My favourite room is over here. How about this? Your entertainment room. This is beautiful, absolutely. This will be a great way to enjoy paradise. And this is just the main house. Again, the main house is a 4-bedroom plus a den, 3-bath. And the guest house, which has a separate entrance and a separate mailing address, is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. This property has a 3.5-car garage, and the total acreage is 2.12 acres. Got a metal roof. Again, this is Barry Hoey with Downing Fry Realty. Contact me for more information. My email is barry@swflluxury.com. Again, that's barry@swflluxury.com. Inquire about this and other similar properties that we have in Gulf Coast High School Zone. Thank you.